In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Expedia's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so the best way to contact their customer support is open up a web page and go to Google. And now the Google search box, type in pissed consumer. Then hit search. Now, once you're here, we want to go to pissconsumer.com. So this website is great for finding hard to reach contacts of certain businesses and websites and that. So once you're here, it will say research company, but on the top, it's going to have a little magnifying search glass. Click onto that and now type in Expedia. Now from here, just scroll down and you're going to see a few tabs. So we've got reviews, about, and contacts. We're going to click onto the contacts tab. Scroll down again. So here's got a few numbers here. So toll-free number is here, or you can click on call customer service. Or if you'd like to send a message, go ahead and click on send message. If we scroll down again, they might have some emails, and they do. So they got more Expedia emails you can reach out to. And they've got a few here as well. And they've also got the most popular number as well, so you can see how many calls this number has got and issues resolved, etc. So yeah, this is the best way how to contact Expedia's customer support team.